Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Wix for gadgets and Gizmos business, easy and quick. So as we know, Wix is a type of websites that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know how to code. It offers various tools to design, add content and customize your site. So first of all, let's start from here, build with Wix editor. Okay, so as you see here, you can start with Touch AI, so it's gonna help you to build and customize your website. And also you can set up without AI, so let's try to set up without it. So let's get started. So here you can enter your business type or your website type, gadgets. So here you can select your business type. For example, I'm gonna choose gadget store. Let's move on. So enter here your business name. Do you already have an online store? Choose if you already have one or not. What would you like to sell? Physical products or drop shipping products or digital products? So this is depends on your business. Where would you like to sell? Online store or your mobile app or marketplaces and social media? Now let's continue to dashboard. Okay, so let's go and design the site. So how would you like to design your website? You can let Wix create a site for you or customize the design template. So let's get started from here. So here you can enter your information, the name, the email, the address, the phone and the social link. Um, Here you can pick a theme you like, so pick a theme match your business. So I'm gonna choose this one. So you can try your best to make your site look attractive, to pull more people and more customers to your website. Okay, let's move on. Now you can pick your favorite homepage design. Okay, for example, let's choose this one. Now you can add page to your site. Um, let's move on. Okay, now wait a few seconds. So preparing your homepage design. So as you see here, this is your homepage design, your homepage editor. So here we have the elements, so you can add elements. Here we have first text, so you can customize the theme text, the titles, the paragraphs, also the text mask. uh, you can also customize the image section, so you can upload and import image. The same thing here, the buttons, so you can customize the buttons, the themed buttons, the text and the icon buttons. Here we have the decorative, the themed lines, the basic shapes, rows, horizontal lines and vertical lines. If you want to add something new, you can just click here, add section. You can select what kind of section you want to add on your homepage. Also here we have the site design, so you can customize the site design. You can change the color theme, the text theme, the page background, the page transitions. Okay, so first here we have the header section, so you can change uh, the site name, so you don't have to change it. Also here you have to you can manage the menu, the horizontal menu. So let's move on to the next section. So here you can change the section background, the strip background. Also you can change the paragraph. If you want to change it, just click on it like this and create AI text and select this the section, the type of the section, and create. So you can use this one for example. Okay, also you can change the text here if you want. You can change the image. Here we have the subscribe form, so you can change it just the subscribe form. Let's move on now to the next section. So here we have the product section, so you can manage product. Okay, Okay, so go on new product, so you can select physical product or digital file. Let's go. So here you can add the title of your products. You can add images and videos. Also you can add product information, the name and the description. You can customize the price and options. Also you can customize the inventory and the shipping. So after you're done, you can just save this place and go back and complete here the design. So that's it. Here we have the client section. So as you see here, you can regenerate like uh, like always. You can regenerate another AI text. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Here you can regenerate another opening hours if you want. So you can just by the AI, just click here and create another AI text for this one. Here we have features section, so you can regenerate this one. Also you can regenerate the image, and that's it. So you can change the image, just click here and change image. Okay, now you can search on uh, gadgets. Okay, so let's choose this one here. Also you can regenerate the text here. So you can edit text. You can change the style and the fonts, and also you can change the font size. Okay, so let's move on. So this is the last section here, the future section. So you can just enter your company name for the copyright. So before you publish your website, you can go to the preview and verify if something needs to change. Okay, so after you verify, you can publish it. So you can publish your website and you can start selling and start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.